Hello everyone and welcome to another PPC tutorial. Today I'm going to take you through my learnings running ChatGPT ads. I was fortunate enough to run ChatGPT ads from the get-go for one of my clients, and this video is all about how ChatGPT ads work, what you can expect, and of course what I learned after running ChatGPT ads for almost 2 months now. Before going straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So first of all, can you run ads on ChatGPT? The answer is yes, absolutely yes. But they are not available to everyone. They are only available in certain countries. So currently you can target US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. You need to apply. So this is the link right here in my screen. I also have the link in the video description below, and most likely you need to commit to some big spend, and also ideally you need to be based in one of those countries. Now, let's actually go into how ChatGPT ads work. What can you expect? The platform is a minimalistic version of Google Ads, I'd say. So how it works is super simple. They pretty much copied everything Google Ads is doing. So there's a structure with a campaign, an ad group, and an ad. The targeting is keyword based, but they don't really call it keywords. They call it context. So you are going to insert a list of keywords that are going to define the context, maybe the topic that you are targeting. And then the algorithm is going to do the rest and find the right users based on the prompt that these users are basically typing in ChatGPT. That's how ChatGPT ads are working so far. Now, at the moment, you can run campaigns in two ways. Either you're going to select reach, which means you're going to pay on a CPM basis, or you're going to select clicks, which means that you are going to pay per click. This is something that was released today, actually, on the day I'm filming this video. This is also a screenshot of the platform, how it works. Obviously, I cannot show you the real platform because of privacy issues. We are protecting our clients' data. And now let's actually go into how ChatGPT ads look like. If you are not based in US, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand, probably you haven't seen an ad in ChatGPT yet. So this is how they look like. There is basically a headline, a description line, and a small square image. The headline is around 30 to 50 characters maximum. The description line is from 90 to 150 characters. And the image is like a small square image. You can use text. You can pretty much put whatever you want there as long as it's legal and not offensive. Now, they show in the bottom of ChatGPT. If somebody goes in ChatGPT, types in a prompt, then the ad is going to show in the bottom. And that's how advertising works. Very simple, very minimal again. Now, let's go into the core of this video. All these things are great, but what did you learn? What can you tell us about the platform? First of all, keyword targeting is dead. I said before that ChatGPT is a minimalistic version of Google Ads. They copied the structure of Google Ads, but they didn't really bother to copy keyword match types. So keywords are called context, and the new way that we are going to target basically pretty much in every platform, starting with ChatGPT, is we are going to insert a list of keywords and phrases describing the context, the topic essentially of our business. The algorithm is going to do the rest. So it's not about doing heavy keyword research. It's not about selecting and handpicking the right keywords and phrases. It's about describing the context that you want your ads to show in. The cost is not fixed. This is an ad auction. It works very similarly with Google Ads, with Meta Ads, with TikTok Ads, with any other PPC platform. And they are not extremely expensive either. So the cost is very much comparable with Google Ads. Of course, in the very beginning, ChatGPT ads were a lot cheaper than now. The more advertisers get onboarded, the more countries basically they are going to open up, the higher the cost is probably going to become. And in the end, it's going to balance and it's going to be very much comparable with Google Ads. To give you some specifics, the CPM can be anywhere from $20 maybe to $60, or the CPC can be anywhere from even 0.2 or $0.3 US dollars all the way up to $5 or $6. So the cost depends on the market, depends on the industry, obviously, depends on the competition, but it's not very much different from any other platform. It's pretty much the same, to be fair. Now, what matters the most is not really the keywords or the context at this stage, because we are talking about a small black box. At the moment, we are not getting any insights on which keywords perform or what kind of context actually is performing. What matters the most are the headlines and the images. This is the most important component of ChatGPT ads at the moment. So if you get the headline right, if you get the image right, then your click-through rate is going to increase. Then you are going to win more auctions. You're going to pay less per click, the usual PPC auction dynamics, basically. And the most important question, do they work? They absolutely work. If you have a business and you are advertising in Google, Meta, TikTok, and you are getting conversions, you have proven product market fit, ChatGPT ads will work immediately. The moment you start running them, they are going to work. The traffic is of a lot higher quality comparing to Meta, TikTok, or any other social media platform, because ChatGPT can be compared more with Google. When someone goes to ChatGPT, they are in the zone, in the mood of researching. They are looking for a product, a service, a solution. They are looking for answers. They are looking to analyze a topic. So the context is there. The user is actively researching or looking for product, services, solutions, answers, and information, which means that this is not a feed where people are going to scroll and then see something and say, okay, it's a good idea, but maybe not today because my salary is not in. This is intent-driven platform. So the traffic is of high quality. They are going to convert ChatGPT ads. The only question is if the cost per acquisition is going to work for your business, obviously. And the last thing that I want to say is that ChatGPT ads are here to stay. So my prediction is that they're going to compete directly with not only Google, but also with Meta, TikTok, and any other PPC platform for your budget. And to be fair, if there are 2 or 3 options where we can spend our budget, I would definitely choose ChatGPT, probably together with Google, and maybe one social media platform. So they are very powerful, and I think we needed a new channel in the industry. We needed it also to apply some pressure to the big players, Google and Meta, to do a better job when it comes to their advertising offering. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, any thoughts, you want to start the conversation about ChatGPT ads, performance marketing, pay-per-click, or anything in between, you can feel free to type a comment below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.